Hey there! Want to change your video background to a beautiful interior design like this, or even this, all using CapCut? Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step from start to finish, so make sure you watch the entire video. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to download some cool and beautiful interior background images or videos. You can find plenty of free options on websites like freepik.com or other free stock sources. I've already downloaded a few, and now I'm going to import them into CapCut using the Import option. Also, don't forget to import your recorded video, the one you want to change the background for. Alright, now that all the images and videos are imported into CapCut, let's drag the recorded video onto the timeline. To remove its background, click on the video, then go to the top right section and select Remove Background. Start with the Auto Removal option to remove the entire background. This may take a few moments depending on the length of your video. Once the background is removed, check your video carefully. If there are any areas that were removed unintentionally, like in my case, the microphone and table has been removed, you can bring them back using the Custom Removal feature and the Smart Brush tool. Let me do it. I've finished the final editing. Now let's check the result. As you can see, the original video background has been completely removed. Now let's try a fake background image as background. To do this, add the cool interior background image or video to the timeline first. Then, place your recorded video just above the background layer, exactly as shown in my video. Now, adjust the size and position of the background to match your video frame properly. Let's play the video and see how it looks. Great! The original background has been perfectly replaced, and it looks realistic and professional. Now, try out the other background images you've imported and see how each one looks. This is a great way to test different styles and find the one that fits your video best. And that's it. Now you've learned how to replace your video background with a cool and beautiful interior scene, making your video look more professional and realistic. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with others.